In 1915, that golden year when Carl Laemmle opened Universal City to the public, he vowed to make movies to make the people laugh or cry or sit on the edge of their chairs the world over. Today, Universal Studios is sharing its special magic with more people than ever, welcoming the world to the place where the Hollywood blockbuster was born. And 4 generations of Cinemagic is just the beginning. This is the gateway to a special world where space and time, the ancient past and the distant future, are all working tools for modern magicians. Over 5 million people a year come to this universe of unlimited imagination. True to its heritage, it's still a working studio, creating motion picture and television entertainment for audiences around the globe. It's bigger, better, and growing all the time. And the magic, it's more magical than ever. Universal Studios Hollywood is where the magic comes to life, and where you can not only see the magic, you can live it.
We're standing here live at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're about to invade the space of our own cameraman. Hello, cameraman.
Hi, everybody.
Where are you from, James?
I'll take him down.
Boys may want to take a break now. Yeah, this used to be a family park before she showed up here today. Do you know that?
There we are.
There is nothing quite like being backstage at Universal Studios Hollywood, where we are immersed in the lore of the silver screen. Only here, in the original behind-the-scenes studio, are real working sets open for the public's exploration and enjoyment.